video is sponsored by HP Omen and Intel.
What the heck? Ice sculpture. What? Jay, what? Wait a minute, they just dropped this. Wait, I heard about this. I didn't know it was coming right now. That's crazy. This is the new Omen 45L. This is a 300-pound block of ice, Jay. How are we gonna open this? I can't move this.
You work out, Jay.
Whoa. Okay, we might need some tools to open this up. Now you might be wondering why HP sent their brand new Omen 45L in a 300-pound block of ice. And apparently this thing has a cooling system that outclasses every PC that they've made before. So they had to send it over with some emphasis on that. All right, you guys, I had to go grab my jacket. Jersey is cold, but this is colder. This is a giant 300-pound block of ice sent over by HP. They were cool enough to sponsor today's video and send over their brand new 45L desktop, but it's in this giant block of ice. So we gotta figure this out, Jay. We gotta get this out of here. But they also sent over some gloves and what looks like a note. Congrats on receiving your metaphor. Now get to melting. Okay. Jay, how do you break down ice?
I say we go eat, chill, and let the sun break down.
No, Jay, that's cheating. The sun is gonna take forever too. Actually, I got something. First off, Jay, safety first. These are thick, Jay. So guys, clearly this is a giant block of ice. So what other tools do you need than an ice pick? So let's see, Jay. Oh no, this is not bad. This could take a while though. Nah, this ain't gonna cut it. We need to move faster. We'll go one step up. We got a legitimate chisel with a sledgehammer. Work like that, right? Nah. Oh, that's not too bad. Okay, this is gonna take forever though. Yeah, this is not gonna do it. This is not it, Jay. Now we bring out the big guns, okay? I'm trying to get that PC, man. All right, let's see what we could do without breaking the PC in here.
Did you use it before?
No. Don't try this at home, kids. Seriously. Jay, I feel like I'm gonna hit the PC though, man. Oh, wait. I feel like we're getting kind of close. I was gonna get into that box at just any moment, so here's what we'll do, Jay. Let's bring the power of the sun down even faster on this guy.
Okay.
All right, guys, we got not one, but two flamethrowers here. Let's melt some ice. Now we got some flames here, but we can really kick this up. I feel like a jet engine.
I'm hot.
You're hot? I'm not gonna lie though, Jay. Chainsaw looked like it was probably a little faster, but it's fire. Woo! Do you see the water dripping, Jay? It's a waterfall, right? Barbecue ice. I'm not gonna lie, Jay. I'm going back to the chainsaw. Oh, that's satisfying. Jay, this is a lot of ice, man. I thought we would have gotten through this a long time ago. I'm gonna try one more thing. Jay, I have a suspicion that this will get us there a lot faster than we thought.
It is a lot quieter though.
It is a lot quieter. My neighbors are probably very happy about this method. Oh, Jay, these? Really? Looky, looky. We're almost there. We're almost home, Jay. Woo! How anticlimactic though, huh? Woo! We got access to our 45L. Now, let's bring this baby inside. And after a successful extraction of this Omen PC, the only thing left to do was fire this thing up. Not with that flamethrower though. All right guys, here it is. Finally, we've got the HP Omen 45L, 45 liter?
Looks like it.
Yeah, a lot of space in there. This is a massive chassis. And Jay, isn't this thing just like really clean? The whole black, it looks super modern. You got that nice glass panel up front. And even with the cryo chamber, it's got this whole additional piece here, but it doesn't look like some chunky add-on. It just looks like part of the PC and it looks good. So you're probably wondering about this cooling system and the whole block of ice thing. Basically, this has HP Omen's best cooling system that they've ever put on one of their machines. This is their cryo chamber, and it is another level. Now, the whole idea here, you guys, is we've got this cryo chamber keeping everything cool, especially that 12th generation Intel Core i9 processor. With that guy in there, staying cool, we'll be able to push this thing to its limits, especially considering we've got an NVIDIA RTX 3090 in here. So when we're doing some gaming, you guys, we'll be able to go full throttle for much longer. So for those longer gaming sessions, you'll be able to play at your peak. Now we've got this cryo chamber here so that you can take this PC to its limits. I'm talking overclocking to the max, support up to 120 watt CPU. That's crazy, that's a lot of power, guys. And it's actually able to keep that cool. So if you want really fast speeds, this thing is built for it. And with this kind of processor, guys, you got a hybrid architecture that matches the right core to the right workload. So when you're doing your background tasks, it's not gonna interrupt your gaming. But what's crazy about this chassis, guys, look, the cryo chamber basically sits separately from the rest of the chassis almost. It's like this own separate compartment. So what that means is more room for activities inside here. So instead of having a bunch of giant cooling components inside of here, you've got it all separate right on top. And that means you can go ahead and add whatever you may need to the actual inside. So there's a lot of room for expandability, which is always welcome. And getting in is actually pretty easy as well. You just press this internal access button. You got access to all of your components. And look at how clean that is, you guys. Now, you can configure this thing to be an absolute monster.
And like I mentioned before, mine is powered by the 12th generation Intel Core i9 processor.
We'll throw up a little spec sheet to show you guys just what this thing is capable of. But I like the thought process here, being able to have this here. You can expand whatever you want inside, not worry about the cooling. That's a good look. I'm telling you guys, the experience gaming on this, so nice. Playing my favorite games on this PC has been nothing but butter. What's a better word for than butter, Jay? Cool? I'm trying to do the whole cryo chamber ice thing. It's been really cool.
Really cool.
Really cool. There you go, you guys. This thing is actually really quiet as well. This thing is really quiet, especially when you're playing games, you're pushing it to its max. You don't hear it get much louder than this. This is pretty much where it's at. So I'm really impressed. You guys gotta check it out for yourself. Of course, I'll have links down below in the description. But for a pre-built machine, I like the attention to detail here. I like this whole cryo chamber idea. It's nice. No giant blocks of ice necessary. This thing is cool on its own. But that about wraps it up for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, be the cool guy or girl that gives this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Till then, it's your average consumer. Peace. That's probably one of the coolest things we did this year, Jay.
It is coolest.
Yeah. Oh, literally.
Literally.
Ah.
Yeah.